So we are going to have a look at the cheek. We are going to do a cheek augmentation of the right-hand side. Now, of course, we know that there is this, let's say, magic point more or less here or there that needs some extra attention, some extra projection. That is actually the apex of the zygoma. Then the zygoma is running lateral from here. So what we actually want to do is not just give projection here, but also create a few boluses of product on these places. Then giving a little bit more lateral projection as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe 2 more here. That will give a very nice lateral cheek augmentation. Then medially, there's also a little bit of flattening over here. So I think it would be great if we just give bolus over here, maybe even one over here. And then, of course, we have to watch out for the infraorbital foramen, which is over here. And we could place just below the infraorbital foramen another little bit of calcium hydroxylapatite. We, of course, have to watch out not to inject on the orbital rim or above the orbital rim. And we have to watch out not to inject in the zygomaticofacial foramen, which is very close to that golden ratio magic spot over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 little boluses. We don't need to penetrate the skin 12 times for that. So I'm going to start laterally. So from here, I will push up the skin in order to reposition the retaining ligaments. I'll go from here straight to the top of the zygomatic arch, and I'll inject about 0.05 second. I have to be on top of the periosteum. 0.05, third, on the periosteum, 0.1, this one, 0.05, okay. From here, 0.05, 0.05, and up there, 0.05. 0.05. Then, of course, the apex of the cheek, 0.1, maybe a little bit more, 0.15, to give that nice extra bit of light reflection. .05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, and 0.05. And then let's have a look. Maybe she needs just a little bit more here. Needle touching the periosteum. Slow, small deposits in between the infraorbital foramen and the infraorbital rim. So that was almost 1 cc. So, lateral cheek augmentation from the zygoma is basically the end of the zygoma, zygomatic arch, the golden ratio point over here. Then maybe in between, one or two more little boluses. Below those, some boluses, maybe a bit more, bigger one here. Maybe even one more down here. Then anterior face, over here, over here, over here. Then we have to mark with another color pencil. Over here should be the infraorbital foramen. So this one is close enough, maybe one below. Maybe one here. So here we go again. Lift the cheek up. Then we go straight down to the top of the zygomatic arch. 0.05. 0.05. 0.05. Small boluses. Back to the periosteum. 0.05. 0.05. I go from here. Contact with the periosteum, 0.05. Above that, 0.05. Above that, 0.05. Over here, 0.05, maybe 0.1. Over there, 0.05, 1, 0.15. .1, 0.05. One, two, three. 0.05. 0.05. And then cranial to the infraorbital foramen, 0.05. Okay. Needle technique.